Hi friends, welcome to this dreary, chilly Monday. Hopefully I can brighten it up a bit with a read aloud for all of you today. So I have The Ninjabread Man for all of you, written by C.J. Lay, and it is a scholastic book. The Ninjabread Man, a modern take on the Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there was a little old sensei who taught ninjas in a hidden dojo. The group trained hard to be the strongest, fastest, smartest, and sneakiest ninjas in the land. Sensei was very proud of his students. So proud that one night he made them a special treat, Ninjabread. Ninjabread was an old age recipe passed down from sensei to sensei. It took a lifetime to master. Once baked, the cookies contained many mysterious powers. They were also dangerously delicious. Sensei mixed the batter, rolled the dough, and shaped the Ninjabread into a tiny sword and throwing stars. Then, Sensei crafted the Ninjabread Man. Once done, he carefully placed the tray into the oven. Finally, Sensei opened the door to check on the Ninjabread. Kapow! Out leaped the Ninjabread Man, alive and kicking. Sensei was surprised to hear the cookie speak. The time has come to test your students. Now they must try as best they can. They can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. With a crack and a flash, the Ninjabread Man disappeared in a cloud of sugary dust. Sensei sounded the gong as a warning to his ninjas. Tonight, they faced the greatest challenge of their lives. Ninja Bear was balancing on one finger when he heard the gong. Suddenly, a sweet scent filled the night air. Danger was near. With a crack and a flash, and a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past the sensei, escaped in the night, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Ninjabread Man, shouted the Ninja Bear, you will make a mighty morsel. With a running roar, Ninja Bear charged, but the Ninjabread Man jumped out of the way, and Ninja Bear lost his balance. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled the Ninja Bear, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Snake was throwing stars in the forest when she sensed Sensei's warning. The bamboo swayed in the wind. Danger was near. Suddenly, a cookie figure stood before her and announced, try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past the sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged in the pale moonlight, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Ninjabread Man, hissed the Ninja Snake, you will make a super snack. With a flick, swish, Ninja Snake launched her throwing stars, but the Ninjabread Man was too fast. He launched a cookie star ninja attack of his own. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled the Ninja Snake, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Mouse was training with his sword when the warning gong rang. Ninja Mouse heard someone tiptoeing around. Danger was near. In the blink of an eye, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread Man. I got past the sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged Ninja Bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past Ninja Snake in a throwing star fight, and I'll defeat you too. I can. Ninjabread Man, squeaked the Ninja Mouse, you will make a nice nibble. Ninja Mouse sprang forward, but the Ninjabread Man tricked the Mighty Mouse. Then, with a bow, the Ninjabread Man escaped into the night. Come back, yelled Ninja Mouse, but the cookie had disappeared. Ninja Fox was sitting beside the great waterfall. He did not hear Sensei's warning. Ninja Fox gently hummed. I sense something dangerously delicious. With a crack and a flash, a cookie figure stood before him and announced, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread man. I got past the sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged the ninja bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past the ninja snake and made a ninja mouse ache. And I'll outfox you too. I can. I'm sorry, said Ninja Fox. I didn't hear you. What did you say? The Ninjabread man stepped closer and repeated, Try as best you can. You can't beat me. I'm the Ninjabread man. I got past the sensei, escaped in the night. I dodged the ninja bear in the pale moonlight. I slipped past the ninja snake and made Ninja Mouse ache, and now I'll outfox you. I can. I'm so sorry, said the Ninja Fox, pretending he couldn't hear the cookie. The waterfall is so loud. What did you say? The Ninjabread man took one final step closer. Following a quick movement, a cloud of sugar dust covered Ninja Fox. Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, Ninja Mouse came running out of the forest to find Ninja Fox. Was the Ninjabread man gone? Far away, in another hidden JoJo, a little old sensei working under a mystical moon, mixing, rolling, and shaping a Ninjabread man. And then inside here, it has a recipe so you can make your own Ninjabread cookie. So I'll take a picture of this and I'll attach it down below if you want to make your own Ninjabread cookies. The end. Can we do one final bow like all the ninja animals did in the story? They put their hands together and they bowed. Great job, friends. I will see all of you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.